Hi, I'm Carolyn, and this is the Jawbone Restorer and Double Chin Slide. Okay, first you're going to moisturize a little tiny bit. I'm using Carolyn's Facial Formulas, Moisturizer Plus. Put a little bit on your fingers. Okay, and you're just going to put a little bit here. The whole bottom part of the face. Great. Okay, place your thumbs right at the chin. Fingers rest on the side of the face, and you're going to push into that jawbone all the way up, so you go all the way up to the ear. Okay? Push and slide. 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 Push in and slide. This is part 2. Take your hand so that it lines up with the corner of the mouth. Lower your jaw, keeping your lips closed, and scrub. Pull back the corner of your mouth and slide all the way under the chin, all the way up, using the whole palm into the hairline. Other side, line up. Lower the jaw. Remember, lips closed, but lower jaw and scrub. Pull back and slide all the way up. Again. Cleansing breath, in through the nose, out through the mouth. And that's it.